Good morning, students. Now you know what is computer. Computer is machine. You know the all parts of computer. For example, mouse, keyboard, monitor, CPU. These all are the parts of computer. But did you know that there are different types of computer? Now our third unit is types of computers. So in this lesson we will learn the different types of computer. We have large computers that are placed on table and lighter ones that can be easily moved from one place to another place. So there are different types of computer. Uh, in our school there are large computers. So these large computers are placed on table. Now see, this is a large computer. This computer is placed on table. So large computer is placed on table. And the small computer can easily we can place from one place to another place. For example, tablet, then laptop. These all are the lighter or small computer, so it is easy to move from one place to another place. Laptop you can easily hold your hand, easily you can place a laptop one place to another place. So let's list the four main types of computer. There are four main types of computer. First one is desktop computer, next is laptop, then notebook, and then tablet. Desktop computer. Now we will now learn about each type with the help of pictures. Now see, this is a desktop computer. Now see, this is a desktop computer. This is a desktop computer. A desktop computer is commonly used everywhere. Even today, you will find a desktop computer in many homes and offices. So, desktop computer is commonly used in everywhere. In our school, that computer we was used. It is also desktop computer. So, desktop computer are used in home, offices, and it is also used in our school. It is also known as a personal computer. Desktop computer is also known as personal computer, which is also known as PC. So desktop computer are used in everywhere. This is a desktop computer. This is a large computer. So desktop computer are used in home, offices. It is also known as personal computer or PC. Now we are going to learn a basic desktop computer has following parts. So the desktop computer have monitor. Now see, this is a monitor. This is the parts of desktop computer. Then this is a keyboard. This is a external keyboard. This is a external mouse, and this is a cabinet. See, this is a cabinet. This is cabinet, this is keyboard, and this is mouse, this is monitor. These all are the parts of desktop computer. Now a desktop cabinet may or may not have a CD or DVD drive. Now see, this is a desktop cabinet. This is a cabinet. This cabinet have this here is the CD or DVD drive. See, this is CD or DVD drive. Here you can attach your CD or DVD. So some cabinet has this drive, or some cabinet not have a CD or DVD drive. Now a desktop computer, it is a large and has a multiple parts attached to it. See, this desktop computer is a large computer and it have a multiple parts. For example, keyboard, monitor, mouse, and cabinet. These are many parts attached to this type of computer. So you need to place it on your desk. So we need to place this computer on your desk. See, this is a desk. And this desktop computer is placed on desk. It is not a portable device, so you cannot carry it out with you. So desktop computer is not portable device, it is a large, so you need to place it on desk. So you cannot carry the desktop computer from one place to another place, or you cannot carry desktop computer with you. So a desktop computer is commonly used everywhere. It is used in school, offices and home. It is also known as personal computer or PC. See, this is a desktop computer. A desktop computer have monitor, keyboard and mouse, and then cabinet. See here, keyboard, monitor, mouse and cabinet. This cabinet have CD DVD drive or may not have CD DVD drive. It is a large computer. So this type of computer, many parts are attached to this computer, so you cannot carry this computer with you, and you need to place it on your desk. Now next type is laptop. LAP, lap, TOP, top, laptop. You all know what is how laptop are look. See, this is a laptop. A laptop has a monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU all together as one unit. It is a portable computer and can be carried anywhere with you. This is why laptops have become common and are soon replacing desktop computers. Now see, this is a laptop. Laptop has monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. All parts are together as a one unit. So it is a portable computer and can be carried anywhere with you. So all the parts are together as a one unit, so you can carry the laptop with you. For desktop computer, it is a large and multiple parts are attached, so you cannot carry desktop computer with you. But for laptop, all parts, for monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU, these all parts are unit together, so you can carry laptop with you. This is why laptops have become common and are soon replacing desktop computers. So now everyone are using laptop. Why? Because we can carry laptop with us. So see, this is a laptop. You can build your laptop the way you want. You can add as much space as you want, increase the working speed, choose the monitor size and even get different colors and prints for the laptop. For laptop, you can build your laptop the way you want. If you want blue color laptop, you can buy blue color laptop. You can add as much space you want, increase the working speed, choose the monitor size. You can build your laptop the way you want. Which type of laptop you want, like this you can get your laptop. For example, you want a high speed laptop, so you can increase the speed of your working speed of your laptop. You can choose the size of your monitor, how much big, how much small size monitor you want, you can choose. And even you can get different colors and prints for the laptop. If you want a purple color laptop, you can get purple color laptop. If you want prints or design on that laptop, you can also get prints or design on that laptop. Now a basic laptop has the following parts. Laptop has monitor screen. This is a monitor screen. Then here is the mouse pad. Here is the mouse pad, which is built-in mouse pad. Inbuilt it is mouse pad. Then here is the camera. Laptop have camera. Here is the camera. Then here is the speakers, and here is the CD and DVD drive. Here is the desktop screen, or suppose monitor screen. Here is the camera, here is the keyboard, and here is the mouse pad, speakers, and here is the CD and DVD drive. So laptop is a portable device. All parts are unique together. Then for that we can carry laptop with us.